Today, we are going to solve a very common confusion in English: when to use much, many, and a lot of. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use them correctly in your own sentences. Many English learners get confused here. For example, should we say much money or many money? Should we say many sugar or much sugar? Let's break this down step by step and make it super clear. First, let's talk about much. We use much with uncountable nouns. These are things that we cannot count one by one, like time, water, money, sugar, or advice. For example, I don't have much time today. Here, time is not something you can count like 1, 2, 3. Another example, there isn't much water in the glass. Again, water is uncountable, so we use much. Next, we use many with countable nouns in their plural form. Countable nouns are things you can actually count: books, friends, cars, apples. For example, I have many friends in this city. Another one, there are many books on the shelf. Because books and friends are countable, we use many. Now comes the flexible one, a lot of. The good news is that a lot of can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, she has a lot of clothes. Clothes are countable. Another example, I drink a lot of coffee every morning. Coffee is uncountable, but a lot of still works perfectly here. Now let's look at some common mistakes learners make. People sometimes say, I have much books, but that's wrong because books are countable. The correct sentence is, I have many books. Another mistake is, I have many time. That's wrong too, because time is uncountable. The correct way is, I don't have much time. So always check, is the noun countable or uncountable? Let's quickly recap everything. Much is for uncountable nouns like water, sugar, time. Many is for countable plural nouns like books, apples, friends. A lot of can be used with both and is very common in informal English. Now it's your turn. I want you to write 3 sentences in the comments, one using much, one using many, and one using a lot of. I'll check your answers. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn with Husshaal for more simple English lessons.